Hello students, in this video we're going to look at word opposites. Word opposite oba ebigambo ebikontana ku binnaabyo. So word opposite, I mean a word which shows a contrary meaning to the other word. For instance, big, small. So the opposite of big is small. Okay, so let's see these common word opposites to master. So our first word is interesting. Interesting. Interesting, the opposite of interesting is boring, something not fancy to watch or something not exciting to look at. So it is interesting, or the opposite is boring. Interesting in Luganda, chinyuma, ekintu chinyuma okulaba. Whereas boring is chiwubaza, ekintu chiwubaza, it is boring. Thick, this is not think but thick. Something to be thick, there is a difference in pronunciation. So thick, the opposite of thick is thin. Thin. So thick, obukwafu, ekintu nga kikwafu. Thick, for example, the forest is too thick. So thick, obukwafu, thin, obutono, nga si kikwafu. Okay, so tight. Tight, something very tight. When you wear something very tight on your body, it is tight. If it is not tight, it is loose. Loose. Are we together? So loose, tight in Luganda is okunyweza. Ekintu nga kinywevu. So okunyweza is being tight. Loose is okulegeya. Ekintu nga kiregeya si kinywevu. Okay, we have wide. Something wide. For example, the hall is very wide. So wide is obugazi. Ekintu nga kigazi. Narrow. Narrow, the opposite of being wide. So if something is narrow is obufunda. Ekintu nga kifunda. Wide, obugazi. Narrow, obufunda bw'ekintu. Number 5, warm. Warm, ekintu nga okubuguma. Warm, ekintu nga kibuguma. So warm is okubuguma. If it is not warm, it is cool. Cool, that's the opposite of warm. So cool is okunyogoga. Ekintu nga kinyogoga. For example, the ice is cool. Ice anyogoga. So kinyogoga. Tuli fena. Okay. Smooth. Something smooth. Chiwewevu. Chiwewevu. The whiteboard is too smooth to write on. Chiwewevu okuwandikako. If it is not smooth, it is rough. The road is rough. Rough, obukakanyavu. Ekintu nga kikakanyavu, it is rough in Luganda. Okay. High, wagulu. High, wagulu. If it is not high, it is low. Chiri, wansi. So the opposite of high is low. Wansi. So wagulu, wansi. Hope we are together. Okay, let's proceed. We have deep. Something to be deep. The hole is deep. Deep is buziba. Ekintu nga kiri buziba. Go deep. Genda buziba. If it's not deep, it is shallow. Nga kifunda. So shallow is wafunda oba ekintu nga kifunda. Kifunda. Are we together? So deep, buziba. Shallow, kubanga kifunda. Hope we are together. We have early. You are too early today. Students are too early today. So early in Luganda is okukeera. Abayizi bakedde nnyo, leero ng'okedde nnyo. So early is okukeera mu Luganda. If it is not early, it is late. Tuli fena? Late. Late is kikeerezi. Kikeerezi, leero azze kikeerezi. He has come late. So early, the opposite is late. Okukeera, okukeerewa oba kikeerezi. Ndowooza okategeddaako. Okay, let's proceed. Number 10, we have healthy. Something healthy. Ekintu okubeera healthy nga it is not sick. So healthy is mulamu. Omuntu nga mulamu bulungi. Healthy, the opposite is sick. Today I am feeling sick. Leero ndi mulwadde. So healthy, sick. Once again, healthy, sick. Okay, So sick in Luganda is mulwadde. Sickness, obulwadde. More, less. More, less. More is okwongera, whereas less, kitono. Male, musajja oba kisajja. Female, chikazi. So male, ekitonde ekisajja. Female, ekitonde ekikazi. Truth, amazima. Truth, amazima. If it is not truth, it is lie. Lie is obulimba. Are we together? Truth, amazima. Lie, obulimba. Okay, that is it in this video. Memorize those word opposites oba ebigambo ebikontana. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye.